What's up? So the next little project, plan is to get this off the floor. I'm gonna try to build me a little standing rolling rack to get this crap out of my way so I can regain some floor space, but start a little hyperlapse. All right. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Got all the wood out of the floor. Hindsight, I should have put some better casters on it. So I'll have to unstack all that, turn it over and put some new casters on it, because the Harbor Freight ones I had just wasn't up to the mustard. One of them already let the smoke out. But that's what I get for using cheapo stuff. But we'll get her fixed, and we'll be on to the next project. Waiting on the epoxy to come in. Ordered 2 more gallons, so I'll have enough to finish the countertop up. But we'll see you in the next one. Hit that like button. See ya.